Hello children, welcome to the English grammar class. Students, in previous class we have already learned that singular and plural nouns. Students, singular nouns means it represents one and plural nouns means it represents more than one. Okay, in today's class we will learn about uses of has and have. Children, we can use the has and have can be as a helping verb or a main verb. Okay students, now let's learn use of has. We use has when we speak about one person or thing. For example, the elephant has long trunk. Students, in this sentence we are talking about of one animal. So we use here has. See this sentence. Raju has a bicycle. Children, here also we use has. Why? Because we speaking about one boy. So we use here has. Understood children? Let's see some more example. A spider has 8 legs. In this picture we will see one spider with 8 legs. So we will use has here. And see this sentence. This book has a red cover. Students, in this sentence we are speaking about one book. So we will use has here. A car has 4 wheels. Children, here we speaking about a car. So we use here has. Children, has is also used for the singular pronouns he, she, it. For example, she has a funny face. He has a computer. It has a long neck. Understood children? Okay. Now let's come out the use of have. Students, we use have when we speak about more than one person or things. For example, Ram and Rama have bicycles. Children, in this sentence we are talking about two children, Ram and Rama. So we will use the word have in this sentence and we will say Ram and Rama have bicycles. Let's see one more example. The children have birthday caps on their heads. Students, in this sentence we are talking about more than one child. So we will use have in this sentence and we will say the children have birthday caps on their heads. See this sentence. These trees have fruits. In this picture we will see more than one tree with red fruits. So we will use have here and the sentence will be these trees have red fruits. Let's see one more example. Elephants have long trunks. In these examples, children, trees, elephants or plural naming words. Have is used when naming word is in plural form, that is more than one person, place, animal or thing. And have is also used for pronouns I, we, you and they. For example, I have a pet dog. We play tennis every morning. You have a kite in your hand. They have 2 pet birds. Has and have is also used as a doing words. that shows the belonging. That is, something belongs to someone. Children, look at these examples. Geeta has a pen. I have books in my hand. They have blue car. It means that the pen belongs to Geeta. Books belongs to me. The car belongs to them. The blue car belongs to them. Children, has and have indicates the present tense, that is, actions happening right now. Now look at these examples. She has a flower. They have a big house. Let's revise. Have and has shows belongings. We use has with the pronouns he, she, it and singular nouns. And we use have with the pronouns I, we, you and they and plural nouns. Children, I hope you all understood. Thank you.